Hey, what's up YouTube? So it's been a while since I posted a video. I'm overseas doing my year tour here in Korea. So I just want to share this video to you guys. This is a tamper-proof faucet aerator. The reason I took this out so I can put my water filter in there and use the water. So there is a special tool that you need to buy to take this out, and I didn't buy the special tool, and I'm about to show you guys how to take it out. So what I did was pretty much, you can find this in your kitchen. This is what I used. So I had to spread them a little bit. See, it's a little bit twisted, but it did its job. So basically you just match the notch here and then spin it counterclockwise. The reason why I have this one out is because it's easier for me to take this out, because this is not gonna fit in my sink, and also this gave me a chance to inspect what my faucet looks like. That's what it looks like. So good thing that I'm putting a water filter in there just to filter those rust particles and whatever crap that comes out of there. But anyways, that is it. Pretty short and simple, and have fun.